In this video, we will show you what's inside the Zirconium Ultra box and how to set up the system properly. In the box, you'll find the accessory part list, the APQ test report, all the accessories and the Zirconium pump. Before you start, you'll need to install the Zirconium software on your computer. To do so, go to the pump folder on the USB stick and double-click on the installer. You can now start connecting the pump. Plug in the power supply, the USB serial cable and the digital input-output cable. Connect the USB serial cable to your computer. Now prepare eluent A, eluent B and the waste bottle. By default, the pump is set to H2O for eluent A and acetonitrile for eluent B. However, if you want to use different eluents, start the Zirconium software and select the right port. If you use a USB serial adapter, this is usually the highest number. Click on Open Bus. Double-click on your device. Now go to Settings, enable Expert Mode and switch to General. Here you can find the standard eluents and set up eluent A and B. After you've selected the correct eluents, you can connect the tubings for eluent A and B to the bottles. Make sure that you push the tubing all the way to the bottom of the bottle. Connect the remaining two tubings to the waste bottle. Now connect the wash tubing to the pump outlet and connect this to the waste bottle. You can now initialize the system by clicking the green Initialize button in the software. Enable Extended Status to view the initialization. As soon as left volume A and B have reached 1,350 microliters, the initialization process is completed. Now switch to manual control and set Auto Purge for A and B to 7 cycles with a delay of 4 seconds. Click on Dispense. The pump will now dispense and aspirate the new eluents 7 times. This step is to fill the pump with the specific eluents and takes around 10 minutes. After this step is completed, you will need to make sure that the outlet channel is also filled with the new eluents. To do so, set pump constant flow for A and B to 2 microliters per minute and click the constant flow button for A and B. After about 10 minutes, stop the process. Click Aspirate on A and B to refill the pump heads. Next, we need to check if the pump heads are properly filled. Set the pressure to 200 bar on A and B and click Compress. If the left volume A and B is lower than 1,000 microliters, there is too much air left in the pump heads. In that case, you will have to repeat the auto purge step. If the left volume is over 1,000 microliters, stop the process and click Aspirate to finalize the manual procedure. Now you can remove the wash tubing and install the tubing to the auto sampler and column. To finish the setup, cover the pump compartment with the acrylic hood.